Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Tanvi and I hope you all are doing well and are keeping safe. I am back with another review video, and this review video is about a cream, a moisturizing cream that is quite budget friendly and affordable, and at the same time is really nourishing and moisturizing for your skin, and is ideal for the people who are suffering from dry skin issues, especially in the winter season, because winter season has come up and people who have dry skin, their skin tends to get dry much more in this season. This video will be very helpful for them, and this product is ideal for their skin type, or if you are someone who is looking for a daily moisturizing cream. Even if you do not have dry skin, then also you can consider buying this product. This is a non-sponsored video. Whatever I will be telling you, it would be based on my personal experience, and it's been already 1 to 1.5 months since the time I'm using it. Then only I'm making this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before getting into the video, like always, I would like to request you all to like and share my videos, and those who have come up for the first time on my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, latest trends, shopping and much more. So let's again get back to the video and talk about the product. This product is called Atosoft Skin Barrier Repair Cream, that is specially meant for dry and itchy skin. It is from the company Brighton Pharmaceutical. Basically, they are just marketing the product. The actual manufacturer is some high-tech formulations private limited. So this cream is available on Nykaa and Amazon. I got it from Amazon, and it is retailed at $325 at present. When I bought it, it was for $295 or something, and you will get some 10 to 15% off on this cream. So the best part about this cream, it is quite budget friendly, very affordable, and it has all the ingredients that are required for keeping your skin moisturized. And at the same time, it helps with the repairment of your skin barrier. If your skin barrier is impaired due to the environmental pollution or the exfoliation, whether mechanical or physical, then this cream would be ideal for you. Let's talk about its packaging. Its packaging is quite similar to the other moisturizing creams we get in tubes. The tube is quite similar to that. It is a metallic tube with the plastic coating on it, and then it has an orange colored label on which the name of the product is given, and at the back instructions for the usage and ingredients list is given, and expiry date and all, then the barcode. So it is a usual kind of a packaging, nothing great about it. But yes, the tube is quite sturdy. It is not like it will get very opened easily. It's sturdy, and it is travel friendly as well. That is, you can keep it with you while traveling. And yes, one thing I forgot to mention, that it is available. This tube is available as 100 gram. That is, I think, quite sufficient for 2-3 months if you are using just for your face. What does this cream claim? This cream firstly is meant for the dry and itchy skin. Then it is a skin barrier repair cream. That is, it is not just a moisturizer, it is repairing your skin as well. That it has ingredients that are meant for repairing the skin barrier. Just like I told you, if you have an impaired barrier, then yes, this cream is actually going to help you. Then it is paraben free, it is free of dyes, it is free of any phthalates. It has a pH value of 5.5, that it is skin friendly, and it is enriched with ceramides. Ceramides, as you all know, are the building blocks of the skin. Without that, our skin cannot be repaired. Then it is going to actually help with that. So talking about its consistency, I would like to show you. It is not very thick, not very thin. It has a medium kind of a consistency, and yes, when you will apply it, you will feel that it is very thick, but when you will massage it like this on your face, it will get easily absorbed But yes, for some time you will feel that you have applied something, but after like 5 to 10 minutes it gets completely absorbed in your skin and your skin remains moisturized like this for the rest of the day. So very dry skin people, I think they can take the pump of 2-3 pumps of this cream, and people with normal skin, I think pea size amount is enough for their skin. So those who are following me, they already know that I am making videos related to dry skin problems. So you can check the other links as well. I have talked about Bioderma, Soonjung emulsion, and Avene Nutri lotion. So all those were on expensive side, but yes, this one is quite budget friendly, and I've used it personally, and I think yes, it does wonders to your skin. So it's already been 1 to 1.5 months since I'm using it, and I use it on alternate basis, and especially at the night time, because I think that is the ideal time when you want your skin to get repaired, and there is no light in the room. Then you are not out, because when you go out there is so much of pollution out there, allergens, pathogens that could easily enter your skin and could slow out the process of repairment. So when you use it at night, it will give you good results. So now let's talk about the ingredients. Ingredients list is quite impressive again, because it has some ingredients that work as humectants and moisturizers. So what kind of ingredients it has, let me tell you. The first one is cetyl alcohol. I have researched about most of its ingredients, and I made a list and I will be telling you about all of them. So it has cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol helps in keeping our skin moisturized, and it also prevents the entry of pathogens and allergens in our skin, and it keeps our skin basically shielded from the outside factors. Then there is Bidyrospermum parkii butter. I know name is very difficult to be spelled, but in other words, it is shea butter basically. So shea butter, as you all know, is a natural moisturizer and is very rich in vitamin E. So it also keeps your skin moisturized. Then there is caprylic capric triglyceride, that is made from combining glycerin and coconut, and both of these ingredients work as emollient and helps to smoothen out your skin. Then there is cocoa caprylic caprate, that also helps to soften and smoothen your skin. Then there is paraffin. Paraffin is also a kind of a byproduct of petroleum, and it keeps your skin nourished. Then there is propanediol. Propanediol, we all know that it's a very popular ingredient these days, that is used in most of the cosmetic products meant for keeping your skin moisturized. So it works as a humectant and emollient at the same time. Then there is borage oil. Borage oil is also very good for your skin, and it contains high amounts of omega-6 fatty acids, and acts as an antioxidant and hydrator for your skin. Then there is panthenol. Panthenol is also meant for improving the hydration and elasticity of your skin. And then there is Avena sativa kernel oil, that is very rich in fatty acids, extracted from oats, and it has amazing moisturizing properties. So all these moisturizing ingredients are present in this cream along with the ceramides, and I have used it, and let me tell you, my skin feels really nourished after its usage. So the best time when you should apply it, I think it's after you wash your face or take bath, and on damp skin only you should apply it, so that it will seal in the moisture. And I have not faced any breakouts or acne or bumps after its usage, so I think you can consider buying this, and it's affordable at the same time and has really good ingredients in it. And it's being marketed as baby skin cream, but it is ideal for the adults as well, as there is nothing harmful in that, so you can use it very easily and without giving much thought. And one more thing I would like to tell you about this product, that it has an allergen free fragrance. That is, the fragrance it has is not going to cause you any allergy, because many people are sensitive to the fragrance. I am not that much sensitive, but still I do not like products with artificial fragrance. So when you will take it in your hand, there would be a mild fragrance, and when you will apply it, you will even forget that there is any kind of fragrance in this product. So that is also a best part about this product. So coming to the end of this video, I would just like to say that if you have any dry skin issues or dry patches, or people who are looking out for an affordable moisturizing cream with less chemicals for these winters, then I think it is an ideal product to buy, and you can take your decision according to your skin type and your choice. This is just my recommendation for you, and I hope you have found this video helpful. For more informative videos like this, stay tuned to my channel. I will be meeting you soon with my another informative video. Till then, keep on liking, sharing and commenting on my videos. Do comment in the comment section. If you want me to do a review upon any product, please do comment in the comment section. And for today, I would be saying goodbye to you, and will be meeting you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.